Hi, it's Carrie and Sean from Owning Toronto.
And we have 3 of our favorite features we're showing you today.
This is kind of a garden shed, I guess, is what they've been using it for. But, you know, in the days of garden homes and laneway homes and things like that, great potential here to remake this into something. Lower portion of that structure that we were in up at the top, there are no stairs going in between or anything, and this looks like it's been used as a garden shed. This part for sure. There's a little, you know, maybe a greenhouse. Carrie suggested.
I just discovered this.
Okay,
no, look on the window, the picture window.
Yeah.
What? That is too cool.
How cool is that?
Wait, it's not done yet. Wait for it. Oh my goodness. Most exciting part of my day. What?
How satisfying is that? Right?
I love it.
Amazing. What you can do with
A garage.
right. And
Really
this
creative.
is fantastic.
Yeah.
I
It's
mean,
a real man's cave, but
yes.
you know, paint color could change it into a woman's cave, whatever you want.
whatever you need it to be, for sure. But they've taken the time to put flooring in that's comfortable to walk on. They obviously they've made spaces for their motorcycles, which are absolutely, they're pieces of art themselves.
Yeah. There's heating as
yeah.
well as
Yeah.
there's seating area in there.
Space to watch TV,
Do
hang
some
out with the guys, hang out with the girls, do whatever it is that you want to do. Buying or selling, Owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.